Welcome back to Grilling with Grove. My name's Austin, and today what I've got going for you is some chicken thighs. Now I'm not going to do these chicken thighs just like regular barbecue chicken thighs on the grill. What I'm going to do is stuff them with some jalapenos and some cream cheese. So let me show you what I got in front of me, and I'll show you how to get this recipe started. Here are the 3 chicken thighs that I've got left over from another cook. What I'm going to put on them is the Big Bad Beef Rub that we've made in a previous video. Now I'll leave the link to that down below. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wash these chicken thighs, trim them up a little bit, and then we're just going to put the rub on there and let them sit before we do anything with the jalapenos and the cream cheese. Alright, I'm going to rub these up and then we'll get back to you. Alright, we're back. And I actually didn't have any jalapenos at my store. So what I used was this Turkish red pepper. They don't really have a name for it. They just call it a red pepper. So what I did was I cut that lengthwise, and then I spread the cream cheese on the chicken thigh and added the pepper. I re-seasoned again with that Big Bad Beef Rub, and I added some salt because if you remember, that Big Bad Beef Rub doesn't have salt in it. So I've got a demonstration here of one kind of rolled up for you. If you can make that out. There we go, camera focused. And so you just do what you can when you roll it. As you can see, I have some of the peppers sticking out. I'm going to try and fix that before I put it on the grill. So for putting it on the grill, we're going to go with the indirect side, and yeah, we'll go 30 minutes or so, and then we'll come and check them. We'll see you then. All right, as you can see, we're back. I've got that chicken plated up. I've got half of it sliced up. I took a photo for you there so you could see it. Now let's get to this taste test. A nice little piece there with some pepper. That's pretty good. So you get the creaminess of the cheese, the spiciness of the pepper, and you get kind of a savory taste from that rub. That Big Bad Beef Rub, it's good on chicken too. So go ahead and make it. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you like what I'm doing here, go ahead and give me a like, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.